Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another Saraswati Puja or Indian wedding guest makeup tutorial, and I have created this look specially for my teenage girls out there. And recently I got a request from one of you to create a look for teenagers, and this is what I came up with. And for this look I have created this super smoky eyes with glitter eyeliner in it, and I don't know how much the camera is picking it up, but in person it was looking beautiful. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your support means a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is from their Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration. I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the video link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. With the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I am taking this Kylie Skin Concealer in the shade Maple, and I am just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. And the brush that I'm using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their e.l.f. Small Smudge Brush. Smudger brush. If you are a beginner and if you want to skip this step, you totally can. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild, and this is a damp sponge. Now I'm taking this Beauty Bakerie loose powder in the shade Cassava, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking this rust brown shade from my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and with this large fluffy blending brush from Morphe, I'm applying it all over on my eyelid. I'm starting with my outer V area, and then I will slowly apply the color on my eyelid. Now here is a quick tip. If you are applying a matte eyeshadow on your eyelids, do not use a flat shader brush. Always use a large fluffy blending brush like this, and just sweep the brush all across your eyelid and apply the color slowly. This way the color will be deposited perfectly. But if you use a flat shader brush, then it will become patchy. I have tried it, I have tested it, and this is a quick tip. Just remember that flat shader brushes, they work well with shimmer shades but not with matte shades. Now I'm taking this particular transition shade, and I'm just blending out the edges so that there is a nice smooth gradient effect. This eye look is all about blending, so just blend. That way we will have a perfect smooth eye look. I'm taking this next shade. It is just a tad bit darker than the previous one, and I'm mainly applying it on my outer V area, just on my outer V area, to create a little bit of depth. And you can see how beautiful it's looking. It's creating a very natural shadow and a very natural gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. Now with my Wet n Wild Megaliner in the shade Black, I'm just drawing a nice crisp wing here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because I will apply a glitter eyeliner on top of this particular black eyeliner, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just apply a nice thin line. And at first make the line as thin as possible. Do not make a thick line. Now just let it dry completely. Once the black eyeliner is dry, just go ahead and apply your glitter eyeliner, and the one that I'm using is from NYX. This is the NYX glitter eyeliner in the shade Zodiac Queen, and it is a gorgeous gold glitter eyeliner. You can use this glitter eyeliner on your eyelids to create nice glittery looks as well. Don't worry if it is looking pretty harsh right now, because we will do a little bit of touch up later on. It's beautiful, you guys. Now I'm applying the black eyeliner again, so that way the black eyeliner will look smooth. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base and then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm taking this NYX Marshmallow Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. I recently started using this particular primer and so far I quite like it. It's so hydrating and it makes my skin really soft and smooth, and it also has a sweet marshmallow scent to it, which I absolutely love. For color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spot, acne spot and dark circles, and then I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. So if you are using this particular color corrector, try to use as minimum as you can, because if you apply too much of this product then it will be hard to cover with your foundation. For my foundation, I'm going with my Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation in the shade 80 Cashew, and I'm just blending it out again using the same damp sponge. I quite enjoy this particular foundation. It gives you a natural finish. It is also long lasting. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same Kylie Cosmetics concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, around my mouth, on my cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose as well as on the center of my forehead. I'm just blending it out again using the same damp sponge. And I was using the concealer for the first time and I must say I like it, but is it my absolute favorite? No. I actually prefer my Milani concealer or my e.l.f. Chemo concealer, the hydrating version, more than this particular concealer. It's a good concealer. It's not too bad. It's not too good. It's just not my favorite. The coverage is medium with this particular concealer. I'm using the same loose powder and with the same damp sponge, I'm just setting my smile lines as well as my under eye area. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Milani Prep Set and Glow Finishing Powder, and I like to use it as my setting powder because I have dry skin. It sets my makeup, it also provides a little bit of glow and it just looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or any gel eyeliner that you have in your collection. I'm taking this dark rust brown shade from the palette, and with this angled brush from Puna store, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm making my lower lash line as smoky as possible because this way my eyes will appear bigger. Taking my lid shade, I'm just smudging out the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, which I will be using for my face later on. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my L'Oreal Superstar Mascara. For my falsies, I am using my Profusion lashes. If you are not a falsie person, you can totally skip it. It's up to you. But I like to use falsies. That's why I just decided to use falsies. And here is the final eye look. I truly love how the entire look came together because this is pretty new to me. And this eye look is my absolute favorite. And I think I'll be wearing this look quite often. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade 03, and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using this angled brush, again from Pune store. I love this particular contour powder. It has got a very nice greyish undertone to it. It's not too grey, it's not too warm either. It is just perfect for contouring, especially for my skin tone. If I use a contour powder that is too greyish, it doesn't look good on my skin tone. I'm taking my Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunset Bronze, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back that sun-kissed glow to the face. Also, whenever I use a bronzer on top of my contour powder, my contour just looks seamless. For my blush, I'm going with this L.A.Girl Island Hottie blush palette and mixing all those shades together. I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, as well as on my nose. This particular blush palette is my absolute favorite. All the shades are so flattering on my skin tone. If L.A.Girl launches this particular palette in India, make sure to grab it. For my highlighter, I'm going with the same Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline, and I'm just applying it on the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. And for that, I'm using this setting brush from Real Techniques. To set my entire makeup, I'm using this Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. For my lips, I'm going with this Maybelline lipsticks. These are their new launch, and this is in the shade So Rust, I believe. I will mention the shade name in the description bar down below. It is a beautiful orangish rusty red shade, and I just love this shade. I love this formula as well. It's quite comfortable, it's matte, it lasts up to 6 hours on me, and that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly loved how the entire look came together. The eye look, the lips, everything is just my favorite, and this is going to be my go-to look for a while now because I am obsessed with this eye look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment section down below. It will just mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below as well, so please do not forget to check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.